Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Talk. Today we are going to discuss part 11, how to create custom directive. Before proceed to this video, please watch the 10th part, how to create custom pipe. I will share the link in description box. Steps to create custom directive. First you need to create the directive using CLI command. For this you can use ng generate directive custom directive over. Custom directive over is my directive name. Or short way we can use nggd custom directive over. Once you run this command, it will generate you the directive file. When you have a look on this file, it code look like as below. They have imported directive from angular/core, and in directive decorator you need to provide the selector and export class custom directive over. This custom directive over is my class name. Next, add your logic in your directive. Depends on your requirement. Next step is to import and register directive name in app module.ts in declaration array. For this, you have to just import custom directive over from, you have to provide your path name, and in ng module declaration array, you just need to pass your directive name. Then we can use this directive into component.html. So here I have just assigned app custom directive over to div. This app custom directive over is my selector name of my directive. So let's move to the practical part. Here I have created one Angular application. First I will create one folder with name directives. In this folder we will create our directives. So just locate to this folder, cd directives. Here I will use this command ngg directive, and I will pass here my directive name custom directive slash over. It will take some time and generate me the file. Okay, just look at this folder. You can see this two files gets added. This is our custom directive file, and this has some by default code. Okay, now my requirement is to show the background color on mouse over and mouse sleeve. So for this I need to add here mouse over and mouse sleeve event. So before this, here I will add private el. This is my element ref. Okay, so in constructor by default we will show the some default color, this dot el dot native element dot style native element dot style dot background color. Okay, I will assign it to yellow. Now I want to add background color red on mouse over. So to define mouse over event, first I will add here @host listener in bracket. I will mention my event name mouse over. Okay, and in bracket I will pass this event data of event type. Okay, so here I will have event data of event type. Okay, in this method we will change background color to red. So for this I will write this dot el dot native element dot style dot background color equal to red. Okay, and on mouse sleeve I want color green, so I just copy this code and just change the event name and method name. Okay, so I will write here mouse sleeve Here also same, and I want color green. Let's save this. And if you go to app module.ts, you don't need to add specifically your directive, because when you generate, it gets automatically added in this parent module.ts file. Okay, our directive now ready to use. So go to HTML, add div tag, in which add the h2 tag. Here I will add some tags. The, this is tech talks. Okay. Now I want to assign this custom directive to this div. So for that, I will just copy this selector and space, and I will just paste it here. Okay. Let's check the changes. To run this, I will use ngserve. Open this URL. You can see here by default yellow color we have assigned to background. Once we mouse over on it, color change to red color, and when mouse leave, color gets changed to green. So this is our directive. In this we have mentioned this. By default we have assigned yellow color. On mouse over we have assigned red, and on mouse leave we have assigned green. So that's it from this video. If you have any question or concern, please contact me via this email or comment on this video. I will get back to you. Thank you. Happy learning.